Offering online payment options isn't just convenient, it can cut your time to payment in half. Enabling them in FreshBooks is a game changer. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to Settings, Payments. You'll see available gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and FreshBooks Payments. Click to connect the service you want to use. Once connected, the Pay Now button will appear on your emailed invoices. Clients can click to pay instantly by credit card or ACH bank transfer. The payment is recorded automatically. My crucial pro tip: enable multiple payment options. Different clients have different preferences. By connecting both Stripe, for cards, and enabling ACH bank transfers via FreshBooks Payments, you cater to more people. More options mean fewer barriers to getting paid. Remove friction from your payment process and watch your cash flow improve. What's the most common online payment method your clients use? For more guides on improving cash flow, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.